Hello traders, the title of the video is the power of combining Fibonacci retracement and candlestick patterns. Alright, I want to show you here a very simple Fibonacci and candlestick trading strategy that one can use for day trading and swing trading purposes. Alright, so we are looking for 4 types of candlestick bar. The first candlestick bar is a very tall and bullish candlestick bar. What do I mean? A candlestick bar that opens and just rises to the high and closes near the high. That's the first candlestick bar that we are looking for. So this one example here, you can see it opens here and closes near the high. And it also is quite a long candlestick bar. That's the first candlestick bar that we are looking for. The next candlestick bar is the one that opened here, okay, and then closed down, and the closing price is near the low. This is one example. Here you can see here, it's a very bearish candlestick bar, closing near the low. The low is almost equal to the closing price. It's a very bearish candlestick bar. But normally what we will prefer is this one to be completely without any shadow here. Okay? A plain bearish candlestick bar like this. Okay? The third candlestick bar that we are looking for is a long shadow candlestick bar. Let me remove my Fibonacci retracement here. A long shadow candlestick bar. As you see here, this one got a long shadow. It's like antenna on top of the candlestick bar. The fourth candlestick bar that we are looking for is the one with a long tail candlestick bar with a long tail. So those are the 4 candlestick bar that we must use and combine them with Fibonacci retracement. So whenever we see any of those 4 types of candlestick bar, we will apply Fibonacci retracement to them. But though we can do this on a daily chart, alright, or any other time frame, even 4-hour time frame, hourly time frame, I would prefer 2 hours, 4 hours, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, and higher time frames, alright? But we want those candlestick bar to be a bit long, alright? So what we need to do, like this one here, you see it's a long shadow candlestick bar, so it qualifies for combining that candlestick bar with Fibonacci retracement. So we apply Fibonacci retracement to that candlestick bar, the full length of that candlestick bar. So, okay, from the high to the low. So you do that for each of those type of candlestick bar. But what I want you to do, once you've done that, okay, highlight the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Alright? So for the bearish, the plain bearish candlestick bar, and the candlestick bar with a long shadow, we want to sell. Allow me to repeat myself one more time. Alright? For the plain bearish candlestick bar and the one with the long shadow, we will apply Fibonacci retracement, but we are looking for an opportunity to sell. For the plain bullish candlestick bar, the one that open like this one here, close up, and the candlestick bar with a long tail, we'll apply Fibonacci retracement, and we want to look for an opportunity to buy. So those are the strategies that we want to use by combining those 4 types of candlestick pattern, candlestick bar with the Fibonacci retracement level. And each time we want to buy near the 50% level or sell near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So let me demonstrate that to you here. So you can see this candlestick bar here is the one with a long shadow at the top. So therefore we want to sell. So we will wait for the next candlestick bar. So we apply Fibonacci retracement to that candlestick bar, and we wait for the next candlestick bar. So this is the next candlestick bar here. So as that candlestick bar open, if we rally up near that the 50% zone, we will have what we call a bearish trading setup. Now we can implement a top-down trading method, either for day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Day trader may look for trading setup on a daily chart. I don't like daily chart. I would prefer 3-day chart or 2-day chart. But you can use daily chart. You can use 4-hour time frame. You can use 2-hour time frame. But this is about finding a high probability training setup that combine a candlestick pattern with a Fibonacci retracement level. Once we find one, all right, we will now wait for the market to open for day trading, wait for the first 30-minute candlestick bar to close, and then if that setup is in place, implement a top-down trading method to trade it. All right. So here it is for swing trader. Here it is, the second candlestick bar. You see, phew, near the 50%, that's the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of that candlestick bar. If you don't want to use the monthly chart from here, as you see rally up, you on a monthly chart, okay? So you see it's going up near that level. You can switch your time frame to the daily chart or weekly chart. Let's go for instance to the 2-day chart. So here we are, see. Okay, so we are now on a 2-day chart. You can see it rally up into that zone. That's on a 2-day chart. You see we have again another candlestick pattern. This is a bearish engulfment that is taking place here. You see this candlestick bar here, and the following candlestick bar. You see forming a bearish engulfment. Stop, gap down, open below. Okay, so here it is. All right, was bullish, gap down, and then continue to go down and close below the low. This is a bearish engulfment. The second candlestick by this one, we are now on a 2-day chart. You are trying to find out what is the best time to enter the trade. And here it is, this one. Rally up again to retest that exactly, okay, that 50% level on a 2-day chart. Now is your time to implement a top-down trading method. Here it is dropping down nicely. All right. So you can find this on a 4-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame for day trading, or daily chart, hourly time frame, 10-minute time frame, all right, and so on and so on. All right. Let's go back to the monthly chart again. So you see now the scenario that we are talking about. So verify. As always, when we learn something new for the first time, especially if you are a new trainer, or this is the first time you come across this trading method, now use a demo account. Try to find those trading setups. Don't use real money straight away. All right. Practice. See whether it's working on paper or not. Try to be very disciplined. Take it like a real trading, and then try to see whether you can improve. If you have any question, all right, put in a comment section, and I will get back to you. Okay. So again, I'm on the monthly chart. Let's see. So the first thing that has been verified here for this candlestick bar, we want to do exactly the same thing for this one here. So this is a long bullish candlestick bar. That's what I call the plain. This is the plain bullish candlestick bar. So we are looking for an opportunity to buy for the plain candlestick bar. So once we have that, what we do care about is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. What are we looking for? We want to look for an opportunity to buy near that 50% Fibonacci retracement level, because the prior candlestick bar was bullish, tall bullish, dominant force bullish. Therefore, if we pull back near the 50% level, we want to be buyers. So we wait for the second candlestick bar. Here it is. You see here? You are not alone though. You are not alone, because other traders are waiting for the same thing. And you will see sometimes here it is pull back gently into this section here, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the plain bullish candlestick bar, and from there we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. This is a combining a specific candlestick bar with the Fibonacci retracement. Very simple, but also powerful. But one must learn to master it before going live. All right, well, before going live. All right, we can use it for day trading, swing trading, and position trading. So verify again for this candle. So one more time, I'm going to try it for a candlestick bar with a long tail, which is this one now. This one has got a long tail, which is good. So what are we looking for? We want to highlight the 50% level, and we want to look for an opportunity to buy. This time, it didn't give us that setup. We didn't have, this one did not have a tail. It just opened here and ran away. Sometimes you will see that, but the point is that give priority to bullish signal above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level if the previous candlestick bar is a long, tall candlestick bar or a candlestick bar with a long tail. give priority to bearish trading setup near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level if the prior candlestick bar is the one with a long shadow or a plain bearish candlestick bar. We are looking for that rally to retest that 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and then we look for an opportunity to sell it down using a top-down trading method. Or we are waiting for the pullback to retest that 50% level if the prior candlestick bar is bullish, a tall, long candlestick, bullish candlestick bar, or the one with a long tail, and we want that pullback to retest that 50% zone, and then we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. All we are doing, we are trading a price action, following the price, but we are combining a specific candlestick bar with the Fibonacci retracement. It requires a bit of discipline, especially if you are a swing trader. You want to implement the trading triangle. Watch the market first. All right, what is the S&P 500? Is he also doing similar thing? That will help. Check the setup before you trade in individual financial instrument without ignoring the economy news, the market leaders, and the fundamental relating to the financial instrument that you are trading. The same thing applies to position trading. For day traders, it's very important to pay attention to where you are, talking about the month, the first week of the month is quite challenging for day trading and swing traders, all right? And also market open, and you take it gently, and let me know how you find this strategy, all right? And if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to address your specific question. We are the GSTW24 traders, talking about the power of combining Fibonacci retracement and candlestick pattern. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.